Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. Folks, we are talking CKB today. Now, before we get into the charts, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Strika. Yesterday, he held the very first community Twitter Spaces Nervous Network CKB talk. This was awesome. There was a lot of people in this inaugural Twitter Spaces event. So with that said, Strika is holding it down. He is a good friend of the Six Fig Stock Trader channel as well as Crypto Airborne. Let's show him some love here. Check him out at Strika Coin and show him some love. This is a great place for you to find Twitter Spaces revolving Nervous Network and CKB. And while you're at it, go ahead and check me out as well at Real Six Fig. And this is where I will drop news, bits of information, charts when I cannot make it to a computer to make a video like this, and other things. Back to the TA though. So when we last left off, we were seeing Nervous Networks, CKB, kind of go into this Elliott wave pattern theory. And we drew up the pitchfork. We kind of have an idea of where the trajectory is of this price action. And we are still falling in line very nicely. So on a daily chart, we are above the cloud. We are set up very nice. And I do still think at this point in time, as long as the market cooperates, we may see CKB rise up a little bit more. And this would be great to see this parabolic climb. I don't think that we will see anything too crazy here over the next day or two, but I do think that within the next week, things might really kind of turn around. So looking at a 1 hour chart, you can see how we came in and kind of bottomed. I mean, you could maybe argue that this thing might be getting ready to cup and handle, just based off what I'm seeing here, and maybe do something like this before it moves upwards, kind of like it did right here. So that is another possibility, but I do think that we are seeing Elliott wave theory play out, and we are somewhere in between 0.425 and 0.425 should land us somewhere right up around this 0.028285-ish level, I'm hoping. So with that said, we'll have to reevaluate the price tag when we get there. So we're looking good. I mean, things are looking good. I'm just going to draw up a little extension just right here. Yeah, I mean, you can kind of see. I would say definitely if this thing pops, we'll land anywhere between 0.0269 and 0.0282. So that is great to see. At this point in time, I really do not think that we are going to see a head and shoulders pattern, primarily because the neckline is just not there. It's just not there. I mean, unless the bears kick in to overdrive and drive this price down, I think that right now CKB is setting up nicely, and word is spreading in the Nervous Network community. I mean, it's insane to see how fast this crypto is building up attention around the cryptoverse. So with that said, I mean, CKB guys, this could be a huge cup and handle that's forming here, and we might see something like this into early November. However, only time will tell. So huge shout out to all the Patreons, and I do want to thank everyone watching. We are going to be also starting up a new series called Crypto What If? And this is going to be a series where I review several cryptocurrencies and kind of talk about the possibilities that lie ahead. Like, for example, everybody asks, can CKB get to $1? Well, absolutely it can. That's only a $28 billion market cap. Got to think, 50 cents? That's only a $14 billion market cap. So totally doable in today's crypto world. So we'll kind of be going over some of those coins and looking at them on the charts and some of the more fundamental aspects of them. So I hope everyone had a good weekend, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.